Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco, implementing Cisco application-centric infrastructure ACI 300-620. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on implementing Cisco application-centric infrastructure is: what are the different deployment models for Cisco ACI multi-site and when would you choose each one? Your answer should be: the different deployment models for Cisco ACI multi-site include local site, multi-pod, and multi-site with multi-pod. Local site deployment is suitable for single-site deployments. Multi-pod deployment is ideal for large-scale deployments within a single data center, and multi-site with multi-pod is used for distributed deployments across multiple data centers. Our next interview question is: what role does the Cisco Application Policy Infrastructure Controller APIC Layer 4 Layer 7 services integration play in Cisco ACI? Your answer should be: the Cisco APIC Layer 4 Layer 7 services integration enables seamless integration of Layer 4 Layer 7 services such as firewalls, load balancers, and intrusion prevention system IPS into the ACI fabric. By automating the insertion and chaining of these services into application network paths, APIC ensures consistent policy enforcement and service delivery across the infrastructure. Our next interview question is: how does Cisco ACI support automation and orchestration of network services? Your answer should be: Cisco ACI supports automation and orchestration of network services through integration with orchestration platforms such as Cisco Cloud Center, Ansible, and Puppet. These integrations enable automated provisioning, configuration management, and lifecycle management of network services and infrastructure components within the ACI fabric. Our next interview question is: what role does the Cisco Nexus 9000 series switch play in Cisco ACI deployments? Your answer should be: the Cisco Nexus 9000 series switch serves as the hardware platform for implementing Cisco ACI fabric. It provides high-performance switching capabilities and supports the programmability required for policy-driven automation and management in ACI deployments. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of service graphs in Cisco ACI. Your answer should be: service graphs in Cisco ACI define the sequence and placement of Layer 4, Layer 7 services within application network paths. They specify how traffic flows through service nodes such as firewalls, load balancers, and WAN optimization devices, allowing administrators to define and enforce service insertion policies. Our next interview question is: how does Cisco ACI facilitate network segmentation and isolation. Your answer should be Cisco ACI facilitates network segmentation and isolation through the use of bridge domains, BDs, endpoint groups, EPGs, contracts, and filters. By defining separate BDs, EPGs, and contracts with specific communication rules, ACI enables administrators to segment and isolate traffic flows within the fabric according to application requirements. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.